This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Hikari Miso soup. We'll begin by gathering all our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of dashi stock, 1 block of silken or firm tofu, and 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed. Of course, the star is your Hikari Miso paste. Make sure your tofu is cut into small, half-inch cubes, and rehydrate your wakame in water for about 5 minutes until it's beautifully soft. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, let's focus on our dashi. Gently heat your 4 cups of dashi stock in a medium saucepan over medium heat. It's crucial not to let it boil, as high temperatures can diminish its delicate umami flavor. Once it's warm, add your rehydrated wakame seaweed and the cubed tofu to the dashi. Let these ingredients warm through for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step ensures everything is perfectly integrated before the miso joins the party. Now for the star ingredient, the Hikari Miso paste. This step is key to a smooth, flavorful soup. First, remove a small amount of warm dashi from your saucepan into a separate bowl. Then, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your Hikari Miso paste to this warm dashi. Stir it thoroughly until the miso is completely dissolved and there are no lumps. Finally, pour this smooth miso mixture back into the saucepan, stirring gently to combine. We're almost ready to enjoy our delicious Hikari Miso soup. After adding the dissolved miso, gently heat the soup for just 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, it's very important not to boil the soup once the miso is in, as this can destroy the beneficial probiotics. To finish, garnish each serving with some freshly, thinly sliced green onions for a pop of color and a fresh, aromatic touch. Serve your comforting miso soup immediately and savor every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.